is there a minimum like period that for you to run the ads in order to bet in? Like can you run it for 3 days, 5 days, or you need to run this for 7 days for you to see some reasonable results?
Okay, so I would say because for search wise, right? To be honest, if you have like 3 days, sometimes your campaign or that particular seasonal ads that you created with the specific offer, right,
Right.
might not get much impressions because it's very short period of time. So that is the one thing that you might want to consider how long you want to run this campaign, or does the keyword that you are bidding on does it have enough like search volume as well? Yeah, because if not, yes, you have the seasonal copy, but then in the end, nobody really see that ad. Yeah, because the keyword in the first place is low search
Yep.
in terms of the volume.